In this video, I am going to show you how to access wiring diagrams for the Chevrolet Impala, including technical data for the various wiring connectors or wiring harnesses. Okay, so we're going to be covering the Impala LS and SS from the 7th generation to the 9th generation. Okay, now you should know that these diagrams are absolutely free. But before I actually show you where to get them, I think it's important for me to take you through and help you just understand how comprehensive this information actually is. Okay, so when you get the document, it's going to look like this, right? It's going to be broken down into chapters, and those chapters are actually going to be every single unit that has got an electronic circuit within it. Okay, so in this case you can see that there is the air conditioner, which is a chapter on its own. The air conditioner has got the various diagrams relating to the air conditioner, followed by the anti-lock brakes, anti-theft body control module, computer data lines, cooling fans, cruise control, defoggers, engine performance, and so forth. So the one that I'm opening right now is for the Impala 8th generation, right? The one which was produced in the year 2006. And under the engine you can see that there are three different engine variants: the 3.4 liter, the 3.8, and the 3.8 liter. I know one of these two engines is a supercharged of the 3.8s. I'm not so sure which of these is. Okay, so just to show you what a diagram is going to look like, a sample diagram is going to look like, I'm going to open the anti-lock brakes, and the moment I open the anti-lock brake circuit, you're simply going to see that the wires are represented in a color format. So which means, in fact, the colors that you're looking at right now are going to be the exact colors that you're going to see within your vehicle. Okay, so that becomes handy when you're trying to follow through and understand what wire represents what, right? So in this case, I'm looking at the electronic brake control module, and I can see that they are about 22 pins, right? And I'm being told where they're going, and I can see that they are connected to the left front wheel speed sensors. Those are the wheel speed sensors. I can see I've got the traction control switch, and so forth. All the components which are connecting to the anti-lock brake system, you're simply going to get a diagram that explains that. But not just the anti-lock brake system. You can see that you also have got your radios, radio with amplifier, radio with police station, radio with without amplifier, and then the satellite radio circuit. So whichever it is which is in your vehicle, you can simply select and go through it. Right, now this car, I know it was used as a police vehicle, so that's why we've got the with police option, radio with police option. Okay, let me just show you, let me just check if there is so power seats. I mean, really everything else, any component that you want to refer to, you can just easily select and open the electrical diagram. And as I said, you can zoom to any scale. You don't have to worry about the diagram pixelating, because it won't. It's actually going to be sharp. The diagrams are high definition and sharp. So that's for the electrical diagram. So let me just show you the different. Let me just go to the section which has got the different wiring harnesses, wiring connectors, so you can also see just how comprehensive the information is. Okay, all right, so here I've got a listing of all the harnesses. Okay, the harnesses and the end views. Okay, so the one that I'm looking at is represented as C101. It should be inside the engine. Okay, so in the circuit diagrams, you're going to see different harnesses highlighted by their number. Like for example, like in this case, this one is a C101. So on the electrical diagram, you're actually going to be told that this connector is C101. So you can refer to this section, which would then tell you what each pin is representing. Here we can see that's A to D, so we know that this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and in between up to K, so this is E, F, and so forth and so forth. So you can, when you look at the information that follows, you can simply see this is the part, this is the part number, in case you want to search for it online or you want to buy it, right? And it's called a 20-way F micro pack 100 W series sealed, right? So the A pin is representing cruise control, engaged signal. B is the ignition 1 voltage, and so forth and so forth. So the wiring harnesses are fully explained, and you've got all your wiring harnesses. As you can see, as I'm scrolling through, there's quite a lot of these different wiring harnesses which are within this vehicle. So you've got comprehensive information which is explaining to you the wiring diagrams and the different wiring connectors or wiring harnesses. So in order for you to download this document, in order for you to download this valuable information, all you just have to do is to go to the link which is in the description and follow the instructions that you're going to see. Like I said, these are absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about going somewhere to go and fetch your credit card. This is absolutely free. Thank you for watching.